Hey guys, welcome back. In the previous video you saw that I removed the back seat. In this video I'm going to show you guys just kind of how to remove the radio on these. Now they make a tool for this that goes right into these holes here. I don't have that tool, so what I'm going to use is I'm going to use two little small welding rods. I went ahead and knocked the coating off these. Welding rods are cheap, you know, a lot of people have these laying around their shop, so this is a good little tool to use, and it'll save you from having to make a parts store run or having to use nails. So, give those a nice little bend in there. Like so. Now, put these in here. There. There we go, just like that. Here we go, remove these. I got a little piece of plastic down there that's hanging on to it. Now, as you can see, my radio still actually physically works. It still scans, it still picks up channels, but what it's not doing is it's not relaying the sound to my speakers. So I'm going to just try and figure out which one of these cables here is responsible. That's what I meant to do, but at this point, it's hard to do that. I'll keep that. That is out. I got this piece out. What the hell are you? Alright guys, at this point, I think I'm going to have to call it a bust. I was able to get both of these removed out of here, but I was unable to figure out where the issue was at. Because it'll seek channels, it'll detect them, it'll stay on them, but what it's doing is it's just not sending noise to any of the speakers. And I've checked my fuses as well. If you have any ideas out there about what's wrong with these Mustangs, on how to fix the radio, or at least this one, let me know, because on the bottom one here it has these three speakers wires, or these three wires, not speaker wires. The top one, it has four wires, five actually, because it's got what I'm assuming to be a ground, the radio antenna, these two, which are what I'm assuming are to the speakers, but I'm not sure, and this one, which is your main one, which supplies your power. If you have any ideas, just let me know. I'd greatly appreciate it, because I'd like to have the radio working in this thing. If not, I'm probably just going to... Actually, I'm going to go ahead and do it. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the radio. If you have any ideas on what I'm missing, please let me know in the comments. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'm going to sign off now. Have a great day.